Why is nobody talking about how the Igbos started losing themselves, scattered, and got infiltrated from their originality, strength, and valor? In 1809, our ancestors overpowered white men, unalived them, and got themselves drowned in America. During the Ekumeku War, through the help of the savior and deity of war, Ekwensu, our ancestors held and unalived British soldiers for 31 years. Also, in 1967, we faced Nigeria, Britain, and her NATO allies. We held them down for 3 years. This is the bravery of Igbo race. When Christianity was introduced, the whites started working on the mentalities of Igbo race by demonizing all they hold sacred. Like the Irish priest Shanahan translated our Ekwensu to Satan or devil, so that the Igbos can hate and reject him, while they named their god of war Mars after a planet. This was how Igbos started losing themselves, scattered, and got infiltrated from their originality, strength, and valor. They opposed polygamy but introduced gay, sodomy, and imposed patriarchy. Igbo ancestors were strong and brave and not weaklings. Our forefathers were titans and alpha males. Those practicing Chris ordinary, neither here or there, because they are addicted to the opium and inferiority complex of seeing a foreign culture to be better than their personal own. May our intellect open soon. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think that Christianity has done more harm than good in our current society?